smile, say hi to someone too. Come on, you've got a lot to smile about, and the big stick's coming through. Reach out, share a stick of Wrigley Spearmint Gum, get the flavor straight, real straight. Wrigley Spearmint Gum, candy flavor won't do. Wrigley Spearmint Gum, get the flavor straight, real straight. Wrigley Spearmint Gum.
Have a Kit Kat, have a snack, really crispy wafers.
Have a Kit Kat, have a snack, hazelnut filling.
Have a Kit Kat, have a snack, lots of milk chocolate. Have a Kit Kat,
have a snack.
Give yourself a break.
Four big fingers, they
Wafers.
Taste hazelnut filling.
Great milk chocolate.
Come on in, Canada. Take a look around. There's room inside for your Chevy van to be just about anything you'd like. Lots of room for loading. Plenty of room for your own private workshop. Or easy living. And because it's built rugged, it'll go anywhere the roads go. Now, come on, Canada.
Who makes them better than Chevy can? Nothing beats a Chevy van. Chevy van.
Turn an ordinary day into an extraordinary shopping experience. Sears Days. These are the days that amaze. Amaze. These are Sears Days. Sears Days. Amazing you with prices you just can't resist. So hurry to Sears for Sears Days. Sears Days. On right now at your nearest Sears store.
Brian,
Carol.
No, Kathy.
Bob. Theo, come on.
You know you got a good thing going. You're going Stag.
Oh, you're a nurse, right?
No, a stewardess.
Of course, stewardess. Oh.
You're going Stag. Going Stag. You're going Stag.
Dan Kelly here. Welcome to tonight's game. We hope you enjoy the action and the beer that brings you the game, Stag. Vito, how about one before the game?
You know you got a good thing going. You're going Stag.
You know, the good folks at Stag have been brewing beer for a long, long time. They brew Stag dry and light, so it goes down easy, Stag after Stag. Here's to a good game.
A shower is a shower is a shower. But Aqua Massage is something else. Aqua Massage switches from regular spray to full massage to intensive massage and leaves you as relaxed as though you just had a professional rub down. Super Aqua Massage gives you the full treatment and a 3-year replacement guarantee. Compared with Aqua Massage, everything else is just a shower.
It's the sunshine, it's the one shine. Pledge the fast and easy done shine. Pledge the scene shine, the one you mean shine. Pledge the anytime you clean shine. Pledge the Saturday morning shine anytime. The Saturday morning shine. Pledge the Saturday morning shine.
When you buy winter Michelins, you buy peace of mind on a tough, icy curve or a snow-covered hill. Wherever you go, you'll be glad you didn't compromise on your tires. And just as glad that we don't.
Soft and strong, soft and strong.
Soft and strong, soft and strong. Soft and strong, soft and strong. Creams are soft and strong. Soft and strong, soft and strong. Soft and strong, soft and strong.
Soft and strong, soft and strong. Soft and strong, soft and strong.
Kleenex tissues. Softness and strength in perfect harmony.
Look for the new fashion freedom in the new spring applause. The new spring applause. Fresh from the bay. When you're looking for applause, it's hard not to think of the bay.
Let's free the hands that made this country what it is today. Let's give ideas a chance to grow and thrive. Let's give people the opportunities and incentives to make things happen. Let's unleash the minds that helped give this country one of the highest standards of living in the world. Let's keep Canada growing. Let's free enterprise.
So you're an instant coffee drinker. Does your wife feel she has to serve perked coffee to company, but the percolator takes time and trouble? Do you know that a Melita filter coffee maker is easy like instant, but you get coffee that tastes better than perked? Do you know you just use your favorite roast ground coffee and pour in the water just like instant? Now taste that. Isn't that better than instant or perked? Melita filter coffee makers, easy like instant, better than perked.